Yo, YouTube, what it do? It's your boy, Smitty DIY, back at it again with another car video. I'm going to be showing you guys today how to replace these rear seat clips in '04 Acura TL. There's the rear seat right there. Popped it out. Now, normally, this is what it's supposed to look like, right? You know, nice and clean. Supposed to be able to, like, you know what I mean, freaking pull this thing up and it clips the seat in. But as you can see, mine is non-existent on that side too. So I was like, how do you even take these damn things out of here? So I was like, you know what? This would be a perfect YouTube video. So I went on Amazon, found these bad boys. I got a set of 4 for like $9. This is the part number there. The 82137 SDA003. Like I said, it came in a set of 4. There's 1 ring and oh, there they go. So there's 3 and boom, 4. So I didn't know that you could even replace these things, right? So boom, here's what you do. Take out the rear seat. If your rear seat doesn't just pop up from you already, you know what I mean, taking it in and out, putting your system in and stuff like that, there's gonna be a couple of screws up here in the back. Let me show you on the seat real quick. So this is the seat. Bear with me, y'all. All right, so this is the seat, right? On the left-hand side, here there's gonna be this little hook. There's gonna be a 10mm bolt in there if you can't get it out. So just get yourself a 10, pop it out, call it a day. Everything else from there is just pop out, pop out, pop out. So on the new ones, I noticed that it has like these little clips on it, right? So there's one on the side, and this is one piece. This is all one piece. It's not a 2-piece ordeal. So it has a clip on this side, a clip on that side, right? So what I did was, just took my flathead, nice big hefty one, shout out the Hard Tools, put it in here, boom, pop it right out. You might have to, it might not come out that easy, but you know, just do a little wiggling, get it out, get yourself a hammer if necessary. I doubt it, but, and then you just take the new one, boom, pop it right in there. And I like to just give it a little whack-a-doodle there. Wait, hold up. Okay, so it's not sitting right. So this lip is up here. So this is where your hammer come in. Just smash that side down until it's nice and flat and even. And then, boom, you hear that snap? That bad boy ain't going nowhere. Let's do the next side. All right, we back. So now we on that's the passenger, the driver's side that we just did. See the new one. See, this is still the old one, the jacked up one. So I'm gonna show you how I did it. Take my flathead, nice big hefty one, put it in there, and just get that mall out of there. Any way you can. Just get it out of there. You don't need them no more, so ain't no use in being all super gentle with it. Damn, I'm messing this one up. All right, let me go in on the tab side right here. All right, hold up. See if y'all can see me right there. These things are a pain in the ass. It came out easy the first time, but of course now that I'm on video, it's gonna make me look stupid, right? Gotta love these cars. Uh-oh. So this real time right here, y'all. So now I'm taking my hammer, just gonna smash that thing up out of there. Bring the flathead back and get the rest of it out. There we go. So after a couple tries, I completely obliterated that shit. So it's gonna be uneven again. So you just take your hammer and just smash barrels. That's it. Boom. And then when you put the new one in, you just want to hear that snap, right? And make sure this part is facing that way towards the chair. Boom. And then party done.